You ready to try it?
What's up, everybody? I'm Shadeen.
And it's Sean here, back with another video. Today we will be trying some candy. Well, I've tried these candies before, but
I've never had them before.
these are some candies that I enjoy, and I think a lot of Americans enjoy. We have some gummy worms, some sour cherries, and everyone know this one, candy corn.
Never
Candy
had those.
corn.
I don't even know what that is.
Fun fact, you know why they call it candy corn?
No.
Because the way it's designed, you can shape it to what it looks like a corn because of yellow tips.
Oh wait, I think I saw a YouTube video where they stuck it up and it looked like
like a corn. Yeah. All right, well, we're gonna get straight into the video.
Wait, what about the other snack?
Oh, excuse me, I forgot we have another contestant. She's never tried a candy apple, so we got that candy apple. She's gonna try that today. I'm gonna get straight into the video. All right, we have all the candy set up here, and she's about to try the candy. We're gonna see her reaction. You never tried any of these candies, cause
Yes.
Yeah,
this
the gummy
one.
worm.
Gummy worms.
Okay, but you never had ones from over here, correct?
No, but it's still gummy worms.
I guess so. Well, what do you want to try first?
That apple looks good. I never ever tried a caramel apple.
Okay, you want to jump straight to that? Ooh, look at that. That looks good. Look at, put your hand next to it.
How do you eat it, babe?
Oh, normally I cut into it. But how do you want to eat it?
I want to try this.
All right, go ahead. Let's see. Like. What's going on in your mouth?
Best party.
Okay, that's good. I was waiting for a reaction. Like, is it good? Is it nasty? It feels like he had 2 bites. Good.
I'm gonna put a Sean.
I haven't had those in a long time. That's something normally.
You didn't get it any.
You can have it. That's something normally. I think we have around Halloween. No. It's around Halloween time. I think, if I'm not mistaken.
Well.
Damn, that was good.
Never had this. First time.
Good. You had to try the
I'll
ones
give it a 9.
Okay, 9 out of 10. Awesome. You have to try.
Well, 9.5.
All right, so you get it. She gives it a 9.5 out of 10. So candy apple's good. All right, so what do you want to try next?
Let me taste them. What's his name?
Candy corn.
Candy corn.
All right, so she wants to try candy corn. All right.
How do you eat this? Just
take a bite out of it.
somehow I thought it would be hard. But it's actually soft. Soft. I thought it was hard. Alright, let's see how it tastes now.
I don't really.
It tastes like a caramel. Do I still have the caramel from the apple?
There's water next to you so you can rinse your mouth out so you can get that. That's why I put the water there.
Let's go. Somehow I thought it was hard.
It doesn't taste familiar to any candy back home. Maybe similar.
They're similar to the caramel.
Oh, okay.
So I thought it would be hard. It's not hard. It just fell apart. I wonder what it's made up of.
I'll have to look it up. Why you reviewing?
But it's okay. Let me have this time.
Look, you can have it.
Oh gosh.
That's from my was looking at me.
It's not that sweet. It's tart.
Would you rate it?
I give it like a 4.
Not too bad. I never really was a big fan. I think it's more like my grandma's favorite. All right.
Sour cherries.
All right.
Never had those before.
Sour cherry. That's my mom's favorite.
Let's see how they taste. All right.
Let's see.
So red and juicy. Let's see. I'm gonna caution. Should I go all in or caution?
Go ahead.
Huh?
Go ahead, just bite it.
It's like jujubes.
Jujubes?
But sour. It tastes also like jelly beans, but sour.
You like it?
I feel a bit more sour. I feel a pack a little bit more sour before it mellows out. But I like it.
Awesome.
I'll give it a 6.
A 6. All right.
Let me have one more. Let's see the
The
sour ratio. How do you eat gummy worms, babe? Show me.
Alright, just take it. What you want?
Let's show you how Jamaican kids eat gummy worms. Take the worm and we put it in our fingers like this. And we do it.
A few moments later.
Oh, the Jamaican kids out there. Anybody my age remember how we used to do it in school?
That's how you used to do it.
Yeah, we do it till it gets so sticky and stretchy and white. Yeah, just like this. Try it, babe. Like this.
6.5 hours later.
Twisting it. You're supposed to.
What?
Like you go and
Like
this.
dough?
Yeah.
Like a miniature
like a
little
kid.
dough. Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
you get it in.
Oh my goodness.
There you go. There you
What the
go.
hell used to do? Why?
We don't know.
I'm a bad kid touch me. I don't know what you do with your hands. I be playing with my candy. One of them.
Yes. And you eat it just like that. But I want my ones to get white and sticky. But it's not getting there, so time to eat it.
For some reason, that tastes better when I did that. I don't know why.
That's why we do it.
That's weird.
That's way awesome.
That is true. I ate something today. Good. Number 1. Yeah, that's good. Well, if you guys are dropping back again and checking out our video, thank you for coming. Share this video if you like, and leave in the comments which candy you think is your favorite if you tried any of these candies.
And tell me how you eat your gummy worms. Bye until next time, guys.